What's up, guys? It's Brunium the Pro, or as I should call it, welcome, guys. It's another video of New Aqua Gaming. Okay, guys, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Ready, please. Okay, now let me just start. This game is pretty easy for a guy like me. Okay? كيف تسوي هذا قناتي؟ I still don't know about this red. Ooh. I could have sworn there was like a red team. Oh, bro thinks he's smart, huh? Bro doesn't know who he's messing with. No. Double kill. What the bro? Bro, I'm not, bro. My weapon ain't good enough. Let me try this one. Maybe it's good. Oh my god. As I said, please like, subscribe, guys. Like, actually, guys. Alright? I put a lot of work on my YouTube videos, especially when I'm trying to edit. Are these now people? Like, bro, I literally 1v1 the entire red team, and you still tell me that I'm a noob? Like, that's disrespect. I learned that at school, you know that? They say it's something called like discrimination. Then we learned about racism. I should not have done that. Okay? So now, this time I'm locking in, guys. I can't do my the other team. I can't do anything without it. Oof, guys, I already joined and I'm already the 6th place. Should I put a shield? No, right? Oh, cool, they think they could take my place just easily, right? Killed myself. No way, bro, I got 5th place. Yeah, enjoy 2nd place, little bro. Gonna kill your entire family. Come here, where you at? Tell me where you at. Tell me where you at. Hey, guys. Okay. I'm just making sure that I can see. Oh no, the other red team is losing. Damn, I already said that. I should show them pain, right? So, should I show them pain or I let them experience pain? Bro range, bro range. No. I could have used my grenade, but I forgot that I even had one. I'll show y'all pain, guys. Oh, I just killed all of them in one go. Oof, that's a bot, bro. What the hell? I was so slow. Why? This time I'm with my knife. I'm in trouble. Dude. Bro doesn't know how I'm getting that. Bro thinks they're free. no, I'm right. I cannot grenade or legitimately. Bro, this blue team guy thinks he could beat me up. No, bro. I'm gonna let nobody surprise me. I need to get the third. At least third, guys. At least third, but fourth, no. They're stealing my kills. I can't. I don't want people to steal my kills. Guys, I need more kills. Yeah, quick response. Oh no, oh, just got 51 damn. I just killed all of the teammates, but it was just one that I just can't really kill. Bro, this is my first time playing the game. I'm already level 10. I need my red flag. Imagine, bro, number one is almost about to kill. He literally got 92, guys. Guys, I'm switching into my launcher. I don't care what the cost. Freedom. Give us what I deserve. Damn, I'm the fourth place. 54, 11. No, bro, I killed 9 in one go. Hijack, what do y'all think? Pew, 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 pew. Of course, we should not go to the one that is no one because they think it'd be hard, but it'd be easy. Okay? Okay, I'm the first place. Nice. I know I'm not the first. That's what I'm getting. Manchester, right? to back up. I need a good secondary. Nice. I have a shotgun for my secondary. I don't mind the background music. Bro thinks I'm second. I ain't gonna be second this time. Bro thinks I'm second, huh? I ain't no second. I remember last time I got second. I don't like it. But they gave me like 500 dirhams, you know? 500. You know what, guys? And then I need to put it in my language in order to get I have a shotgun as my head. Damn. Nice, 11. Bro, this is so dumb. Yes. My launcher is ready. Damn. Damn, okay. Oh, I ain't good. I need to be the first place, no matter what. I don't have time for shenanigans, I need to become the first place. I can't let anyone surprise me. Didn't let anyone surprise me. They could hit me from behind. Damn you. Bro, imagine. Look at me. That's too much. I need my range. Oh, they're also physical. Has to come, sorry. I'm in the blue team. Funny. Bro thinks because oh my god, imagine if I just oh my god, bro was so close to me. I don't care. Bro, just made me think oh my god. Reload. Shut speed. Damn, it's so hard to reload. I can't let nobody surpass, but this guy thinks he can surpass. Like, OMG, it's gonna be fun, I don't care if I have to only want all of them. I will not care. I can see it, right? Bro, this thing is so hard, you did not see it. Damn, I'm already level 30. My back is so hurting because I'm literally standing up the entire match. I need charge. Oh my grenade! No. Bro, you think it's so funny games when I'm in the same game, but okay, no. Let me check. Okay, nice. Damn, I don't have to. This time I need to get my native landing. Okay. think so. I need to override up here. I think I did. Oh, bro, things is all fun and games, right? That's fun and games. Take my place. 53. Oof! Sniper, right? So who's getting this? I got it, right? I need to get go fix this joke, right? Bro, I just spammed it. I spammed it. My God, give me something good. Wait a minute. I can't complain right now. I need to find which one I can. Yeah, بتعصب اول مركز انا فين بس بعد كفت طلعت. I need my first place. I can't live. Wait, there are people on top of me. I'm so scared he can't take the space. This world is so scared of me. Like, bro, I'm just like this. No, oh my God, I have faced it up from here, right, guys? I haven't posted for a while. Can I get first place? I have assist, huh? Assist. Ain't gonna pay the bills, right? I don't know. Easy. You know, bro. Let me just sit down. Oh my God, I've been standing up the entire match. Crazy fool, right?